Paulie here, out here in my little shop, and you are looking at the number 63 Murray mud mower. I still have it, and I think he's feeling a little neglected. And so I did a little inspection of him and found some discrepancies. Keep in mind, Ty flipped this thing twice, so first thing I've noticed, what the heck happened there? What the? Let's see if I can look at that underneath there. No, hard to see. That is crazy. It's coming off the frame. This MST transmission transaxle is dock locked, and I like it. The body's coming off of this thing before this thing will ever break. I'm sure I'll get some feedback on saying that. But another thing I've noticed, and this ain't really nothing new, but not so much this side. See how that's loose from where it connects by the floorboards. Let's go to the other side. Look at that. What I'm thinking of doing, I'm gonna fix this, but I think I'm gonna weld this to the floorboard, and back here the transaxle mount, I will put a bolt on there and at a later date weld it, just kind of like kiss weld it, you know, just in spots. Alright. Okay, after further inspection, it's a lot worse than I thought. So, see the misalignment of them bolts there? And then on this side, it's actually caving in. This should be flush with this corner. See how it's bashing in? Let's see if I can fix that. Okay, so I just beat the crap out of this thing. Got that bolt back in, got this one in. This little lip here that bolts to the frame was caving in, so I had to pound it back out. After I pounded in the side here, yeah, the hitch plate is essential. I just don't like the way it looked, so I took it off, and so I'll make a brace that goes under here. Well, working on the Murray here has come to a quick end, but I did take it for a few laps around my trail. And there, you see it's bolted up in the rear end. It's pretty straight now. I will make a bracket on back, and then before I ran out of wire on my welder, I got a couple spot welds there. Not spot welds, but I just, you know, used a welder. And yeah, it held up pretty good. Thanks for checking it out. Till next time, which will be soon. Later.